What are some morning affirmations for losing weight? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session for mental focus and planning in weight loss. These historic quotes are 18 of the best morning affirmations for confidence in shopping, meal prep, exercise, and smart lifestyle decisions. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. The more we study, the more we discover our ignorance. Percy Blythe Shelley. 17. The education of a man is never completed until he dies. Robert E. Lee. 16. I have a theory that the truth is never told during the 9 to 5 hours. Hunter S. Thompson. To live creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Joseph Chilton Pearce. Do you want to sell sugar water for the rest of your life, or come with me and change the world? Steve Jobs. Your joys and sorrows. You can never tell them. You cheapen the inside of yourself if you do tell them. Greta Garbo. I'm a simple man. All I want is enough sleep for 2 normal men, enough whiskey for 3, and enough women for 4. Joel Rosenberg. As a mom, I know that raising children is the hardest job there is. Hillary Rosen. To some lawyers, all facts are created equal. Felix Frankfurter. Lies are usually caused by undue fear of men. Hasidic proverb. Love and business and family and religion and art and patriotism are nothing but shadows of words when a man is starving. O. Henry. Fashion is the science of appearances, and it inspires one with a desire to seem rather than to be. Edwin Hubble Chapin. Art in the classroom not only spurs creativity, it also inspires learning. Mickey Hart. A good thing to remember is somebody's got it a lot worse than we do. Joel Osteen. People do not want words, they want the sound of battle, the battle of destiny. Jamal Abdul Nasser. Sometimes a good exit is all you can ask for. Sean Stewart. Power is not sufficient evidence of truth. Samuel Johnson. My own mind is my own church. Carl Lotus Becker. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.